Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you this oil pastels of 50 shades, camel oil pastels with 50 shades. So you can see I'm going to open this right now. So oil pastel is always a very good thing for the beginners and for all the artists, because the color blending is unique actually. And see how many colors are there, so many colors. And see, it's a tool you have to use while you can scribble this like this and take it out. So see, there are multiple sets of many colors actually. In generally there are 12 sets in most of the color boxes, but here you get 50 sets. And see, what are the sets? You can see sets of green is here, and you can see sets of yellow and sets of orange. Then this is brown, and sets of blue. Some are here and some are here. Well, we can arrange it in such a way that all the sets of one color will be in a particular row or in a particular part, so that it will be convenient to use. But anyway, this seems very nice, right? Okay, it's very good thing, and it comes in a wonderful box, so your colors are kept safe, and you can carry it wherever you want. So let's try how it feels. Start with pink. Pink is something I love a lot, so let's see what the color effect is. You can make it dark, you can make it light, but you have to scribble multiple times to get a good effect actually, for any color. This is not for pink only, for any color. And now I'm trying another set of pink, this one, and it gets blend very well. Then now this is a lighter shade of pink, so we can see these three are the different shades. And just like that, let's try shades of green. This is a middle shade, so I'm doing just okay. And this one, you have to be very gentle, though you are pressing multiple times. Still you have to be very patient, otherwise your color may break, or it's not a good thing to use broken colors, I feel. So what else? And this one, okay. And what else? We have a more darker shade of green. You see, these are all different from each other. This is one more set. Let me put it here. This looks pretty, okay. And yellow is also a set of green, so I'm putting it here only. See? And well, I can't display all the colors, but I'm just showing some of the sets so that you can get a rough idea of that. I love pastel color, though I don't use it very much, but I feel like doing something. Sometimes when I see very good pictures on YouTube, or my friends or somebody do it, I really love it. And this is the way you can mix. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.